Hello again. It's Four Winds Touring, winter touring, Four Winds winter touring this weekend. So we've got a bit to do to the crawler, which you will see pretty soon, obviously. But gotta get the FC out. I want to put the FC over here, but that has no roof still. So still no engine swap on the crawler. It's the middle of the year now. Still haven't swapped the 4age. Yes, it's sitting right there in my backyard. Been waiting on this fucking thing to get registered so that I've got a spare car to drive, because we've only kind of got one car to drive. I can drive this, but no thanks. So, waiting on this to get registered. Then we have the 2 Mazdas to drive around, and I can pull the crawler apart. So, soon, hopefully this thing's just got a brand new soft top in here. The full soft top for an MX-5. So that'll go on there. Hurry up, Brendan. There's like last hurrah for the crawler, and then it's fucking coming apart because shit just keeps going wrong with it. So, last week, the exhaust fell off. When I say the exhaust fell off, it really fell off. So we're gonna try to repair that right now. It's Saturday now, touring's tomorrow, Sunday, and I've got a full livery for this thing and a couple other little bonus things. So let's start on that. Got the roller in. Here's the newest problem on the ever-growing list of things that are wrong with this piece of shit. Just down there, if you can see, that is meant to be attached up here, isn't it? So that's fucking great. That's just how this thing's been lately. Just literally just shit fucking falling apart all the time. Yeah, that exhaust tube's meant to be attached, isn't it? So I'm gonna try and pull that out tonight, weld it up, among the other 100 things I gotta do. Something else I got. Got this spoiler. Nice. Got this spoiler for 20 bucks, I think it was. I originally wanted like 80 or something, but it's all broken and shit. It's Toyota. This is a IS200 spoiler or Beams spoiler, fucking Altezza, whatever. It's all fucked and broken, but when you're gluing it to the boot of a crawler, then it doesn't matter, does it? So, got that. Need to paint that tonight so it can dry. Then we're gonna glue it on. We're gonna get the boot off the piss car, put it on here, because I don't want to ruin this one. All my nice grandpa patina like this. So we're gonna get that. What's to do? Not much time. Let's fucking try to get this exhaust off. I'm gonna attempt to weld it myself. First time alone. Welded once or twice before. That's it. We'll fucking see how we go, won't we? Hello. I'll real quickly show you how this thing sounds, even though it's fucking loud as my neighbour keeps coming out. Fucking so loud. That's not optimal, really. I mean, if you want it really loud, it's pretty optimal, but apart from that, I don't know what exactly has happened. I thought it rusted through, but maybe it's broken the welds. Probably just rusted, but pretty sick. Those bolts look like 3 different bolts, so that's cool. Yeah, pretty fucking oily down here too, piece of shit. Oh well. Might try chuck a tack in there, then pull it down, I reckon. I was gonna just mark it, but it looks like it'd be easier to try tack it and then pull it out. So let's do that. Right. No, this is not optimal. No, this is not a professional setup. It welded the tailpipe on. Hopefully on those settings, order on it now. So hopefully it'll fucking do this. Let's see how we go. Hopefully it's already set up. Mikey set that up for me when we did the tailpipe. Hopefully it works, we'll see in a minute. Got some PPE. Let's go! I think I got enough on there. This welder does not work very well. It also works without pulling the trigger. Blinded myself a couple times and had to do the rest safety squint style because I couldn't hold the exhaust up and also weld it with a mask that isn't a proper mask. The first one I got on there was actually, I missed the first one and the second one was really good. But I think I got enough on there to hold it up. I gave it a few shakes. I was planning on pulling it out so I could weld around it properly, but maybe I'll just weld it up there and see how much I can get on there because that's not going to be great, especially with me welding it anyway. So do what I can do. This just needs to last a day. It's going to probably leak anyway, so maybe I'm just better off not pulling it out. It's probably a good idea. Cool. So it's looking, I've got at least a couple on there. All right, let's see how I did. I don't have high hopes, but if it holds on, and that's pretty good. Oh yeah, look at that. Also, I didn't clean it or anything, so don't really have that going in my favor, but beggars can't be choosers, right? My idea is that if it holds on for the day, that'll do, huh? There's gonna be some shit VO, but there's a real cowboy part of the section. So we're filming it cowboy style too. You know, looks pretty cool. I like it. Nice. Let's quickly test if this sounds better. A little bit better at least, I think. Kind of sounds like a car again. All right, boot coming off. 4 bolts, sure you can work that out. My good boot, full of stickies. Grandpa spec scratches and shit. Match the rest of the car and the color and all that, apart from this bit, which I oversprayed. That's coming off. And then we got spoiler down here. We got piss boot here. No badges, luckily, which helps with the livery, and piss color. Swap them over, chuck that one on to quickly see if it fits, which it should, but just to check. And we'll chuck this one on the other car to keep it watertight. All right, so you'll be able to see the difference in color here. It's super gross. It's nice and smooth at least, but color's horrible. Fits all right. Spent 2 seconds adjusting it. Needs to come this way, but I don't know how you actually do that, if possible at all. But it's on, so let's paint it. Got the spoiler here, all nice and painted up. Yeah, very lovely, bit shit, but lovely. And the boot looks pretty good, apart from the color is not even close at all. But what are you gonna do? Should be right. And then something I thought I'd just quickly try out, found on the side of the road the other day in hard rubbish. Nice little Mazda box. And then inside the Mazda box, brand new headlight covers. I believe they're for like a 323 or something. I don't even fucking know. But they like fit on here perfect. Like not perfect, but like perfect for something that's not meant to fit on here. Front lip goes under the hood so it can't come out. And then this is slip fit underneath. Just slid in there. How sick. Can't believe it. It's so sick. I've been planning on making some of these, so when I found them, I was like, sick. This will help me work out how to make them. I was going to make some plexiglass ones at work. And I was like, oh, it'll show me how to make the stoppers and the gaps and stuff. And like what the text looks like. But these are like, man. I'm so stoked on it. But I'm actually holding my corner lights because they're a bit loosey-goosey. But that's so sick. Oh, I can't fucking believe that. So, livery's on as well. Pretty stoked with that. So this is now the Ruby Barks instead of the Greddy GRX or whatever it was. I should know it because I spent ages drawing it, but yeah. So this is the Bark Chaser. You should get that joke if you follow my work, hopefully. And then I've got some more stickers to go on the back when that dries. I'll put them on tomorrow before the cruise, and one on the spoiler, and maybe one on the front, but pretty much just gave it a little wipe down, sponge bath, pretty much ready to go. Welded the exhaust on. Sick. I can't believe that. So good. They're like fucking brand new too. Oh, it's gonna look sick. All right, well, yeah, maybe I'll just modify them a little bit. Maybe bend these around a bit more and maybe chop that one down. If I really wanted one day. Not today, maybe with the refresh, but yeah, stoked. Shadow's gone on the car, bud. You're just a fucking silhouette anyway. Quick delivery, mate.
Check out my Honda Jazz.
I got that on record.
Yeah, no, don't.
Yeah, dude. Fair enough.
What's up?
Is this your car, Mark?
Hello, Carol. Right there.